Let's make
A mess.
yeah, clearly a mess. Let's make this amazingly delicious sheet pan roasted veggies and beans over this lemon yogurt sauce, which is absolutely vibrant. It's a perfect summer meal. It's flexible and versatile, and you can serve it in so many different ways. You can spread that yogurt sauce, top it with the veggies, and serve it just as is, or with a side of toasted bakery bread or sourdough or garlic bread or naan. Or you can make a wrap with some nice toasted pita bread, stuffed with all of those delicious roasted veggies and beans, and top with that delicious sauce and some sprouts and a squeeze of lemon, and it's going to be mind-blowing. So let's make it. We're gonna make this amazing spice mixture that we're gonna add to the veggies. And now we just have to chuck everything onto the pan and add our spices and bake them. And then just mix everything in. You can add other veggies in, like some summer squash, some zucchini, fennel, onion. Just use whichever veggies you have on hand. And now we're just gonna spread all of this and bake it until everything is nicely toasty and roasted. And then we'll put it on our yogurt sauce. We just need some yogurt, salt, coriander, lemon zest, garlic. It's a super easy and delicious yogurt sauce. I'll just toast up some olive bread for the side while our veggies are roasting. You wanna toast this up just before serving for the best crispy bread. These beans split open and became crispy. Let's go with the sprouts. Get all of those delicious veggies and beans in there. You can add some more of the yogurt if there's any left. Add your sprouts, some sesame seeds, and some lemon. There is protein from the beans, the sesame seeds. You can choose a vegan Greek yogurt to add some more protein to this dish. For even more protein, you can blend some tofu with the yogurt to make that sauce and add some more lemon zest, and then use that whipped tofu and yogurt mixture as the sauce. There is a ton of fiber with all of those vegetables, the sprouts and the beans. It's hearty and filling and absolutely delicious. If you make this recipe, do let me know in the comments how you liked it. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more easy vegan recipes, Indian vegan recipes, fun vegan recipes, and so much more. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.